soft power of India is cinema. Indian stories. We need to tell Indian stories. Unfortunately, that's why the South, they're making Indian stories. That's why they resonate with the audience and they love it. RRR,
Yes.
even पुष्पा, ये सब फिल्में कैरेक्टर्स मिट्टी के हैं, हिंदुस्तानी मिट्टी से जुड़े हुए हैं. Your longevity depends on your work at the end of it. If you can influence for 20 years or 40 years, why not? In your obituary, the films that will be mentioned will be the films that will be the greatest films of your life. You change with times, you have to change. If influencers are they are important, they are important, but how long they can remain influencer? आज ये है, कल कोई और हो जाएगा, परसों कोई और हो जाएगा. तो वो डिपेंड करता है कि उनकी लॉन्जेटिविटी कितनी है.
Namaste, I'm Yagya Bhasin.
Hi guys, this is Megha Chilakar.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम है अनुपम खेर और आप मुझे देख रहे हैं फिल्मी पर.
Hi, this is Siddharth Shukla from Filmy, and today I have with me the very cool cast of Chhota Bheem and the Curse of Damayan. A very warm welcome to all of you on Filmy.
Thank you, Siddharth. Thank you.
Firstly, I want to start with I love your look, sir.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you.
आपने consciously इतने vibrant colors choose किए to match with Yagya.
100%. मुझे लगा देखिए कितनी कलरफुल फिल्म है और मैंने जिंदगी में कभी रेड ट्राउजर नहीं पहनी है, मतलब दैट डजंट मेक एनी
But it's still
बट
matching.
मैंने ये न्यूयॉर्क में ली थी और मुझे कॉर्डरॉय बहुत पसंद है, सो आई थॉट आई विल वेयर इट टुडे.
आप बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हैं. आपने socks भी yellow पहने हुए हैं.
जी जी जी
एकदम vibrance.
थैंक यू माय फ्रेंड.
I want to start with you, sir. Live action film हमने वेस्ट में देखा है, बनती है. इंडिया में we are coming up with live action film with Chhota Bheem. I want to know your opinion on it is very important because through this a larger audience maybe outside of India will also get to know about Indian mythology.
Of course.
So want to know your opinion on that.
Yeah, absolutely. I think it's important, as I was saying earlier in one interview, that soft power of India is cinema.
Yes.
Is the biggest soft power. And Indian stories. We need to tell Indian stories. Unfortunately, that's why the South, they're making Indian stories. That's why they resonate with the audience and they love it. This is also will be a great window for the people abroad, that how we can make films with VFX,
Yeah.
with such great
Good VFX actually.
Amazing.
Yes.
Amazing this is. And fantasy or Indian fantasy. Bheem, the characters, the Sonapur, the Guru Shambhu, all this is very, very Indian and done on a very unbelievably professional manner.
Yes.
So this is that film which will break those boundaries. I hope so.
Hoping so for that.
Yes.
Because like you rightly said, in South और हमने जब भी देखा है कि whenever our films are getting recognized, आप कंतारा ले लें या कोई सी भी फिल्म ले लें, they are actually our stories, the Indian stories.
Of course. RRR,
Yes.
even पुष्पा, ये सब फिल्में कैरेक्टर्स मिट्टी के हैं, हिंदुस्तानी मिट्टी से जुड़े हुए हैं.
Yes, and वो resonate करते हैं because उनके पास अपना है, उनके पास ये नया है, right? Ma'am, as a producer also, what are your opinion on this? Like, you know, to get more of our Indian stories out there.
So like sir said, you know,
Yeah.
the soft power of India is cinema, and हम अगर कुछ कन्वे करना चाहते हैं तो मीडिया से बढ़कर, you know, there is nothing more that is more communicative and reachable out to people. वो कहीं भी हो सकते हैं, छोटा गांव, शहर, बड़ा शहर. Everybody wants to, you know, watch movies, watch TV. That is a great power. तो अगर हम हमारी पुरानी कहानियाँ, हमारी मिट्टी से, हमारी धरती से जुड़ी कहानियाँ वहाँ तक पहुँचा पाते हैं, nothing like that, and that is a great message, you know, we can be like great messenger communicating stories to people.
वाह, यज्ञ आप लोगों ने बहुत ही एक्सट्रीम कंडीशन में शूट किया है. आई थिंक हैदराबाद, राजस्थान, आप लाइक ऑल ओवर द प्लेसेस. बहुत गर्मी भी रही होगी, बहुत थोड़ा सा ऐसे डिफिकल्ट हो जाता था, या फिर इतनी ज़्यादा फ्रेंडशिप हो गई थी बिकॉज देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ किड्स दैट यू डिडंट फील?
डिफ़िकल्टी होती थी बट वो ओवर शैडो हो जाती थी और चीज़ों से. शूट में मस्ती, इन पे शूट सीन्स जो करते थे उन सब से वो सारी प्रॉब्लम्स ओवर शैडो हो जाती थी. सो वो डिफ़िकल्टी कभी फील ही नहीं हुई कि अच्छा ये डिफ़िकल्टी है भी वहाँ.
Also, again to Yagya, how do you manage, because it's education is very important, आप साथ में पढ़ाई कैसे मैनेज करते हो?
In this case my school is really supportive.
Yeah.
So they used to basically send me all the study material online through WhatsApp. And I used to just study all of it during the breaks in the shoot whenever I got a little break.
Wow.
He is a good boy.
And COVID के बाद online classes का ज़माना is very on, so a lot of schools did online classing.
मैं बोलने वाला था फायदा हो गया एक्चुअली.
हाँ बिल्कुल.
Blessing in disguise for kids.
Yeah, 40 years of course. I'm sure अभी सबने बात करी है आपसे. I also have to talk to you about it. 40 साल हो गए हैं आपने इंस्टा पे, मैंने हर जगह देखा 40 अनुपम years and 541 films आपने करेक्ट किया था अभी भी कुछ ऐसा है
Tanvi the Great is my 541st film.
Okay.
The one I'm directing.
Okay, it's your 541st film. Your directorial, not the debut, but the second one. Okay. अभी भी कुछ ऐसा है जिससे आपको डर लगता है? You feel scared or you feel वो एक little अच्छी nervousness होती है ना वो कुछ करने से पहले?
हाँ, so डर नहीं लगता है. I'm always anxious. I'm always nervous. Nervousness is a great quality.
Yeah.
Nervousness is very creative.
And it's still there.
Of course, it is very, very much there. Very much, it has to be there. The day it goes, that will be, I'll reach a plateau. I will reach the end of my creativity.
Yeah.
Nervous हैं तभी तो आप इंटरव्यू से पहले नर्वस नहीं हुए तो फिर you will come across I don't know what. But ये भी नर्वस रहता है, ये ऐसे ऐसे करता जाता है पूरे इंटरव्यू में, ये ऐसे ऊपर से ऐसे हंस रहा होता है, बोल रहा होता है बहुत अच्छा बड़ा मजा आया, मगर ये इसके हाथ देखते रहो, इसके हाथ में ऐसा होता रहता है. तो नर्वसनेस इज वेरी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग है ना, मैं देखता रहता हूँ सब कुछ. Yes.
अभी आई थिंक थोड़ा और केयरफुल है. ओ शिट, अब ये भी देख लिया उन्होंने. Sir, do you feel dramatics, acting should also be added to the, like a part of it, to the syllabus of in schools?
Absolutely, I've been advocating it for a long time. I have requested the Ministry of Education also to do that, because acting is something which makes you. It's not today the children are not inhibited at all. They don't lack confidence, but it sort of frees you from any kind of fear. It sort of एक तो अपने आप से मुलाकात हो जाती है, because आजकल बताया जाता है कि you have to be right, perfect.
Yeah.
है ना, परफेक्ट होना चाहिए, सब कुछ ठीक ना. तो उसमें परफेक्शन के चक्कर में लोग गलती नहीं करते हैं, और जब गलती नहीं करेंगे तो सीखेंगे कैसे? गलती करना बहुत ज़रूरी है सीखने के लिए. You know, you can't be right. There's nothing called right. जैसे कुछ लोग कहते हैं, जैसे एक्टिंग करने से कुछ लोग डरते हैं, तो वो बुरी एक्टिंग भी नहीं करते और अच्छी एक्टिंग भी नहीं करते, वो राइट एक्टिंग करते हैं, which does not touch your heart. It has to touch you. What touches you is the rawness of the thing. So I think it's very important that we start in the schools itself a kind of a small theater workshop or theater का training, because अभी extra curricular activities sports की अलग हो गई हैं, पर उससे ज़्यादा हो गई हैं on the mobile phone.
Yeah.
So it will take you away from that.
So we have actors, of course, and we have now, you know, you're aware about influencers, right, who have big social media, you know, for following. I'm sure you all know it. Do you feel the lines are blurring, the influencers are getting more into acting? For instance, recently the Cannes Film Festival, it's essentially a film festival, but we saw a lot of influencers attending the red carpet, and it eventually, the talk was about the red carpet looks, and I'm very glad we have two winners from India. But then that was there, but
I think your longevity depends on your work at the end of it.
okay.
If you can influence for 20 years or 40 years, why not?
Nothing like that.
Why not? But at the end of it, in your obituary, the films that will be mentioned will be the films that will be the greatest films of your life.
Yeah.
And that is what is important. Baki, you change with times, you have to change. If influencers are they are important, they are important, but how long they can remain influencer? आज ये है, कल कोई और हो जाएगा, परसों कोई और हो जाएगा. तो वो डिपेंड करता है कि उनकी longevity कितनी है. But absolutely fine with that.
Amazing, and the trailer looks fabulous. Like I said, वो अब दूसरे ही world में ले जाता है. Now I want to know क्या हो रहा है, कैसे हो रहा है. We are all aware about Chhota Bheem का story, but then obviously there are new characters introduced and the theme is different. I would love to see it. And on that note, thank you so much for joining us,
Thank you.
Yagya. It was pleasure talking to you.
Thank you, my
Please
friend.
do go to the theaters near you.
For sure. On 31st of May, am I
On
right?
31st.
Yeah, on
Yes,
31st of
yes,
May.
yes,
Yeah.
yes.